Hello guys, welcome back. Looking to start your photography or content creation journey without spending a fortune? Here are the top 5 best budget cameras for beginners in 2025. Offering great image quality, user-friendly features, and excellent value. Whether you're into vlogging, portraits, or travel, there's something here to kickstart your creativity. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS R100. The Canon EOS R100 is an excellent entry point into the world of mirrorless photography, designed with beginners in mind. Compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, it packs a punch with a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Canon's powerful Digit 8 processor. This combination delivers stunning image quality with vibrant colors and crisp detail, even in low light. The R100 supports 4K video recording, making it great for aspiring content creators or vloggers. With dual-pixel autofocus, capturing sharp and well-tracked subjects becomes effortless. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow for easy sharing and remote shooting through the Canon Camera Connect app. Its intuitive menu system and guided modes help new users learn the basics quickly, while still offering manual controls for creative growth. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or exploring your creative side, the Canon EOS R100 is a reliable, budget-friendly companion to start your photography journey with confidence. Number 4. Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10 is a powerful yet beginner-friendly mirrorless camera designed for vloggers, content creators, and photography enthusiasts. Compact and lightweight, it features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers stunning image quality and crisp 4K video recording. With its fully articulating LCD screen, real-time eye autofocus, and background defocus button, capturing professional-looking content is effortless. The ZV-E10 offers interchangeable lens compatibility, giving users creative flexibility to explore different shooting styles. Its intuitive controls, built-in directional microphone, and external mic input make it ideal for high-quality audio capture. USB-C live streaming capability means you can go live with ease, no capture card needed. Whether you're filming your first vlog, snapping portraits, or diving into content creation, the Sony ZV-E10 provides excellent value without overwhelming beginners. With its blend of performance, ease of use, and creative features, it's one of the best budget cameras for anyone looking to step up their content game. Number 3. Sony ZV-12. The Sony ZV-12 is a sleek and powerful compact camera tailored for vloggers, content creators, and beginners looking to elevate their video quality without the bulk of a DSLR. Packed with a 1.0 type Exmor RS CMOS sensor and a 24 to 70mm equivalent f1.8 to 2.8 lens, it delivers stunning image clarity and smooth background bokeh even in low light. The upgraded wide-angle lens makes it ideal for handheld vlogging, group shots, and travel content. This camera features Sony's advanced real-time eye autofocus and product showcase mode for fast, accurate focus transitions, perfect for unboxing or review videos. Its compact body houses a directional 3-capsule mic with a windscreen for crisp audio, and the fully articulating LCD touchscreen makes framing yourself effortless. With USB streaming, 4K video, and slow-motion capabilities, the ZV-12 is a complete all-in-one solution. Whether you're just starting or growing your audience, it's a smart, budget-friendly choice. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix G100. The Panasonic Lumix G100 is a compact, lightweight mirrorless camera designed specifically for content creators, vloggers, and beginners looking to step up from smartphone photography. Despite its portable size, the G100 packs impressive features that make shooting high-quality photos and videos a breeze. It boasts a 20.3 megapixel micro four-thirds sensor that delivers crisp, vibrant images and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second for stunning content. Its standout feature is the Ozo audio system by Nokia, which uses 3 microphones to capture crystal clear directional sound, ideal for on-the-go vlogging. The G100 also includes a fully articulating touchscreen, intuitive controls, and advanced face-eye detection autofocus, making self-recording easy and professional looking. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensure seamless sharing to your devices. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, travel content, or learning photography basics, the Lumix G100 offers incredible value and versatility in a beginner-friendly package. Number 1. Canon EOS M50 Mark II. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a compact and user-friendly mirrorless camera ideal for beginners looking to step into photography and content creation. With a 24.1 megapixel APS-C EMOS sensor and Canon's Digic 8-image processor, it delivers stunning image quality and vibrant colors in every shot. Autofocus is fast and reliable, especially with eye detection, AF for sharp portraits and smooth video focus. Whether you're shooting crisp 4K video or live streaming, the M50 Mark II makes it easy with its vari-angle touchscreen, clean HDMI output, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless sharing. Lightweight yet powerful, this camera is perfect for vloggers, travelers, and everyday creators. Its intuitive controls and guided menu system help beginners get started quickly without feeling overwhelmed. Affordable, versatile, and packed with features, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to elevate their photography or video game without breaking the bank. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best budget cameras for beginners in 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.